Ang Fortress Construction Chemicals ay may 10 klaseng adhesives. Number 10, Fortress Boost. Convenient pre-measured admixture that you can mix with 1 bag of Portland cement and 90 kilos of sand to produce 130 kilos or 5.2 bags of tile adhesives. Number 9, Wood Glue. Cellulose-based glue that gives excellent bonding properties to wood or other porous construction materials. Number 8, Grass Glue. Solvent-based glue used to fasten artificial grass together and also to cement slab underlay. Number 7, Stone Glue. Solvent-based glue used to fasten stone materials or other non-porous materials together. Number 6, Versabond. Water-based adhesive for vinyl and other lightweight finishing materials for walls and floor applications. Number 5, Saver Tile Adhesive. Low-cost adhesive for non-porous tile installation for floor application. Number 4, Regular Tile Adhesive. General adhesive for 30 by 30 non-porous tiles for wall and floor application. Number 3, Heavy Duty Adhesive. Tile adhesive ideal for stone and large format tiles for indoor and outdoor application. Number 2, AAC Adhesive. Designed to fasten AAC blocks with good adhesion and flexural strength properties. Number 1, 2K Tile Adhesive. 2-component tile adhesives for extra large format tiles for wall and floor application. May dumikit ba sa puso ninyo? Share nyo naman sa akin. See ya!